How to hide your following list on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome to our channel WebToTech. In this video, I am going to show you how to hide your following list on Instagram on your mobile phone. So let's jump to the process. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged in to your account. Now here, tap on your profile picture present at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the three lines, that is menu, at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now here you can see account privacy option. Tap on account privacy. Now here you can see private account option. Now tap on the small toggle next to private account. When your account is private, only the approved followers can see your following list. Now here you can see switch to private option. Tap on switch to private. With this, now your account will be private. If someone is already following you, they will be able to see your following list. By making your account private, you can control who can view your following list. And this is how you simply hide your following list on your Instagram application. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.